Bonjour les enfants! Today in French with Loveleen, we are going to watch a story, and that is Le Lion et la Souris, the lion and the mouse. So, first of all, we will watch this video with subtitles and translations, and later I'll ask you some questions. Okay? C'est parti! Un lion dort dans la forêt. A lion sleeps in the forest. Une petite souris court et monte sur son dos. A little mouse runs and climbs on his back. Le lion se réveille. The lion wakes up. Il attrape la souris avec sa patte. He catches the mouse with his paw. La souris dit: Pardon, grand lion, ne me mange pas. Un jour, je pourrai t'aider. The mouse says, Sorry, big lion, don't eat me. One day I could help you. Le lion rit. Toi, petite souris? The lion laughs. You, little mouse? Un jour, le lion est pris dans un grand filet. One day, the lion is caught in a big net. Il rugit. He roars. La petite souris arrive. The little mouse arrives. Elle ronge le filet avec ses dents. She gnaws the net with her teeth. Le lion est libre. The lion is free. Le lion dit, lion says, Merci, petite souris. Thank you, little mouse. La souris répond. The mouse replies. Tu vois, la force ne dépend pas de la taille. You see, strength doesn't depend on size. So, that's all about the story. And now, quiz time. So, let's see whatever nouns we have learned through this video. Okay, so the first one is lion. Choose the right picture. Lion. Yes, it's option A, that is lion. And now, filet. Filet. Yes, it is. Bravo. C'est option C. This is option C, that is net. And now this one, souris. Souris. That is, yes, that is mouse. Option C. And this one is forêt. Yes, it is. Forest. Yes, option A. And now let's see verbs. So the first one is il dort. And the verb name is dormir. So now choose the right picture. It is, yes, it is option D. That is to sleep. Dormir means to sleep. Il dort. He sleeps. And now this one, il se réveille. And the verb name is se réveiller. So choose the right option. Yes, it is option D. Means he wakes up. Se réveiller means to wake up. Great job. And now let's see this one. Il attrape. Verb name is attraper. Yes, yes, yes. Bravo. Yes, it is option C. That is, he catches. Il attrape. Attraper means to catch. Now see this one. Il rugit. And the verb is rugir. What does it mean, huh? Bravo, yes, it is option B, means he roars. Il rugit. Great job. And this one, il rit. Verb is rire. It means yes, c'est option C. This is option C, means to laugh. Il rit means he laughs. And now this one, dire. Dire. Elle dit. It is yes, it is option A, that is to say. Elle dit. She says. And now let's see this one. Courir. Courir. Elle court. That is parfait. That's option B. That is to run. So elle court means she runs or she's running. And now this one, ranger. Elle range. What does it mean, huh? It is to know. Option D. That is option D. Great job. And now let's see the next one. Aider. Aider means easy, huh? Aider means bravo, yes, to help. Option D. Great job. Well done. And now let's learn les prépositions. That is prepositions. So let's see whatever prepositions we have learned in this video. Let's see. So the first one is sur. Sur. Yes, what does it mean, huh? Bravo, yes, sur means on. Option A. Now this one, dans. Yes, it is option D, that is in. Dans means in. And this one, avec. Avec means yes, excellent, that is with. Option B. Option B, with, avec. Great job. And let's see this one, A. And one more thing, do not pronounce it like it, okay? It is A. And what does it mean, huh? Yes, yes, yes. Great job. Yes, it is option C, that is and. And now let's see whatever adjectives we have seen in this video. So those are like free, small, big. So how to say these things in French? Let's see. So the first one is libre. Libre. Yes, what does it mean? Think about that lion. Yes, that is free. Option A. Great job. And this one, grand. And you know, if you'll put extra a, that is letter a with the letter D, then it will become grande. And what does it mean, huh? Grand, grande. Yes, that is option C, big. Big, 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 grand. And this one is petit. And if we'll put extra a, then it will become petite. So it is, think about that souris, that mouse. Yes, it is option B, means small. Petite souris, remember? And now let's see les parties du corps, means body parts. So Tell me how to say teeth in French. Is this do, pat, or don? Yes, it is. Parfait. Yes, it is option C. That is don, teeth. Great job. And how to say back in French? Yes, you remember? That lion's back. Yes. Great. Yes, it is option A. That is do. You see, there is a little difference in the pronunciation of do and don. Okay? Do means back. Don means teeth. So now let's see the next one. And this one is super facile, huh? Super easy. That is paw. How to say paw? There is a hint, huh? It starts from the same letter. Yes, it is path. That is paw. Great job. Yeah. Now you have learned many things, huh? Nouns, verbs, many things you have learned. Yeah. Great job. Okay, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Au revoir.